Digitalization is changing our world. The demand for customized solutions is steadily growing, and competition is becoming fiercer. With these trends, two words are heard again and again: efficiency and flexibility. Today, we'd like to show you how expanding networking and greater flexibility can enhance your future engineering work. We've developed the TIA Portal Cloud Connector for this very purpose, ensuring you secure access across multiple networks. Anyone collaborating with colleagues and partners on projects faces the challenge of having to manage different software versions. Having the right software readily available at all times is, of course, vital, especially for a smoothly functioning service business. The Cloud Connector allows you to access a central application server without having to install the TIA portal locally. The TIA portal runs in your own private cloud, directly in your company network. This lets you centrally manage, maintain, and update all software versions from the TIA portal. From time to time, you need to make adjustments to software programs or machinery settings, either during commissioning or regular plant operation. But what should you do if you don't have a programming device available with the right software version? The Cloud Connector gives you the security and flexibility to access the right configuration software on your central application server at any time from any basic PC. Not the least of your concerns is making sure that IT and machinery networks remain isolated from one another. The Cloud Connector ensures this by offering encrypted communication via HTTPS protocol and associated certificates. How does that work exactly? What's it based on technically? And what do you need to do to actually make it work? That's precisely what my colleague wants to show you right now.
There's not really that much involved. Anyone who works in teams know from their own experience that managing, maintaining, and updating engineering software always demands a certain amount of effort, and usually just when the work needs to go the fastest. Maybe a project has grown larger or more complex than originally planned, or system faults occur at a customer's facility. And when installation work is needed at multiple locations as well, developer engineers long for a simple solution that allows them to work without having to install anything locally. That's where cloud-based engineering offers many advantages. So now I just set up the Cloud Connector. First, I start the TIA Portal Cloud Connector on the user device, meaning any PC on which no TIA Portal installation is available. Once communication has been started, we establish a remote desktop connection to the virtualized system on which our TIA Portal will then operate. Once this connection has been successfully established, we start the Cloud Connector on this virtualized system. The Cloud Connector automatically recognizes that it's dealing with an installation with TIA Portal, and so it automatically makes the appropriate settings. Once the connection has been tested, we likewise activate communication on this system and can then start the TIA Portal. Once you've opened the project, the connection between the two systems is automatically established in the background, which you can see when the color of the icon changes. Now that this connection is in place, we can establish an online connection with the hardware directly via our project to monitor values or perform program tests. So now I'm able, via our own private cloud, meaning the company network, to access the engineering workplace. From there, I can access the customer's controls and systems and establish an online connection to the controller in order to properly test the programs. And all that's done very easily and with no local installation.
What's more, you can also utilize the full performance capabilities of the server system, centrally maintain your TIA Portal version, and above all, you save yourself the effort of having to locally install the engineering software, all within a secure environment. Simple, flexible, and networked. That's cloud-based engineering with the TIA Portal Cloud Connector,
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.